We are behind a fire truck. Fire truck. Truck had to pull over and get behind the fire truck. Wonder what the fire. Why is there so many fires today? Red truck, diesel truck. We saw one in Wrightsville. They burned in that field, and one in Kite over there by that bridge. What? Somebody's burning something or something? Where the fire truck is going, I have no idea. Is it still in front of us or something?
Yeah, it's still up there.
Well, we are.
It flew. So.
We are leaving Swansboro.
Yeah.
Excuse me, it's all the way up there now. We are leaving Swansboro and back down to town. Veterans Highway 45. Oh, it's just speed limit. Here's that A Alcohol Anonymous. A. Right there. It's a hot spot. Backwards. Hot set. And Tommy sounded like Goofy in the background.
That truck done flew. I don't know where that fire truck is now.
Sheriff. I get it. Away from the truck.
There's a dump.
There's a shell plane.
There's no planes. They're private jets.
Yeah. Airfield. Swansboro. I used to live here back then. I think that fire truck is done gone. Look at the clouds. Down here at this street, down here. Yeah. Got a lot of trash on the side of the whatever. They got this street here pinned off. Well, they did gated. That's the street we used to have going to those apartments when we lived here in Swansboro. Swainsboro. We got Goofy in the background.
Goofy.
A highway that they built. Speed limit 55. Got those farter things on the street. They fart things, whatever you call it. Keep you from falling asleep for, I guess, truckers. And I saw that bug hit the windshield. It was a crunchy bug.
A windy shield?
Yeah, they ought to go off. GA 57 or whatever it says. It is 1:31.
to set my cruise.
She's set her cruise. Ooh,
Text.
text.